Alright, we're going to fly the Dynam Waco. You'd think that's called a Waco because of Texas, but it's a Waco. I got a little mini GoPro right there taped in on a foam block. And it's easy to put in and out because that front seat is part of the battery tray cover. So you can take the airplane cover right off and put the camera in any way you want to. And then slide it right back into place. With a nice fit, it'll stay just fine. So, let's go do this. Alright, here we go. And get up pretty quick, so I'm happy with that. Checking the trim. Trim looks pretty good. I got to keep it out of the sun because I forgot to put my sunglasses on.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Bringing up the power. Oh, I just forgot to put them on. Going up. Into a loop. A loop-de-loop. Gonna do a low flyby.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
She said time remaining 3 minutes. Get some low flying over the field here. I'm not going to charge it again. I'm just flying it around today to see what I get.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Boy, 2 minutes. I am.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I do want to go in the other way.